beli pi baro ngi priang subhai pi shikne ketuk kubor jengi upet ngor cable news Hashua bini kemi ki kubor kebab ni anak kejan miet ngan pa chash kimat bakongsan joko kubor menta ketayo on perlong personal interview show ikam group di Meghalaya Clear ke Menteri Pelatengah ke Sarkar Pedeng ya ke Polo Commercial Complex ke ba Shispa Klortam One special monitor ke NHRC bat sengutu igijing jelai bajing pun percaya drugs ha kejela Penti kenal sembut Menteri Rangba pan ajing era bajing singan ya ki pat ba ka lapangan Sya sponsor ngut ki pulet ka thanat sora batombori usamla getwen jerwa apok thanat Sya kem urang ba balai bi ijat ke kena barang khatsan senam karta Bat Pelat Menteri Rangba ke jelai ke trofi jang ke Duran Cup. Ka kenhun Menteri ke balai kendu aksi palai jang ke tayo ke Lasya Megarai ban pendu no ya ke jingle interview kam ha ke grup D. Bat kala airu ke jing menjor ya ke Meghalaya Film Tourism Policy ban kentiu ke Kamshna Film ha ke jela. Habai keran bikin ang patai kubor hadin pelawai ke jingelang jang ke kenhun Menteri ke belalong ha ke Shipau Terek jang unaitung arhajar arpusan. Menteri Sarkar belong ru nong akitin ke Sarkar uba poleng do ulong ba ke Sarkar ke Lasya Megarai ban pendu no ek interview thongkam ha ke grade D bat kene karai kan yat kat kom ke polisi ke Sarkar ban pentikna ke jing terekam ke basai ha ke rukom thongkam bat ke bayat ru kat kom ke jing betha na katanat personal bat training jang katanat personal public grievances bat pension ulong ru bagani kan terekam na dok sitrek urisau arhajar arpusan Ulong ru babaro ki interview ke balabok ban penlong na dok sitrek urisau menta ke senam la pensang eno bat kinong apply kam kem dan kam chuk ban le ya ke personal interview
that the cabinet today took up the matter of discontinuation of interview for Group D posts across the state. This proposed discontinuation of interview for Group D posts is in conformity with our well-established policy of ensuring maximum transparency in the recruitment process to various posts, beginning with Group D posts. This is also as part of our compliance to instructions of the Government of India in the Department of Personnel and Training, Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, Government of India. So, in line with this decision, all appointments for Group D posts will be done without recourse to the process of interview. This will take effect from the 1st of October 2025, meaning it will have a prospective effect, meaning that all such interviews that are scheduled from the 1st of October this year will be minus the need for the candidates to sit for personal interviews. This will also help to speed up our process of appointment and recruitment to various posts and ensure, as I mentioned, transparency and efficiency of the system.
Ka kenhun Menteri ke Jela Meghalaya kalau menjor ya laiteli KKA ke bakentop ya ke Meghalaya Shaksha Management Rules arhajar arpusan ke Meghalaya Electronic Processes Issuance Service and Execution Rules arhajar arpusan bat ke Meghalaya Guidelines Community Services arhajar arpusan Commissioner bat Secretary Katanat Korbari uba Cyril Vidi Dengdo ulong baik ini rule ajeng menjor hadian ke jing slot ke basani bat ke yang syari Meghalaya High Court ban penterekam miki an ke bakentop ya ke BNSS bat ka BSA. Uletho ba ka Meghalaya Shaksha Management Rules arhajar arpusan hag babaro kisaki belalum di kor elektronik lagi long video ki dor lathap lagi mobile app jangka Shaksha. Uba Cyril uletho ru ba hag Meghalaya Electronic Processes Issuance Service and Executive Rules arhajar arpusan lasyak ban penon kam ki kor elektronik haba khat hajar haba ay ka warrant bat kiwi kam yang syari. Ka ba penduna ya kejeng penon kam ki kot bat kiwi Kat baha kabayday ba Meghalaya Guidelines Community Services arajar arpusan kandai ke ban pentreka me hukum ban syakri ke emlang salang kum gejing pesaja kitu ginong le yaki kambam man ki berit baria.
Meghalaya E-Sakshya Management Rules 2025. This is the rule to ensure that all evidence that is collected in electronic format, be it videos, be it photographs, are securely uploaded on a mobile application called E-Sakshya, which will be secured with a 16-digit code and a hashtag. And these are linked to the CCTNS system and the ICJS system, which is the interoperable criminal justice system, which works in a way where courts have access to the system, the Directorate of Prosecution have access. And once this electronic evidence in the form of video or photograph which is collected by the police during investigation is uploaded, a unique ID is generated so that this can be then brought as evidence in the court proceeding during trial, and then it is secure and tamper-proof because it has a timestamp, it has a geo tag, it has this 16-digit code, a unique SID. So this will ensure that the evidence collected is having full integrity, it is tamper-proof, and the courts can then rely on this video evidence, photograph evidence, to try cases under various provisions of the criminal laws. So this is the first rule that I spoke about, the Meghalaya E-Sakshya Management Rules. The second rule that the Honorable Cabinet approved today was the Meghalaya Electronic Processes Issuance, Service and Execution Rules 2025, which have been framed under Section 64 of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita. This also is a reform to ensure that summons that are given to various persons to appear in court through the court system or the police are now done in the electronic format, that is e-summons, can be issued, warrants can be issued, etc. So that through the electronic format, through something called the e-summons procedure and the case information system, which is a software developed to ensure that all the courts are on this system, and through the CCTNS, these summons can be issued through the electronic format without the need to issue through the paper format, which has been the current method. So this is also a reform that has been introduced today. The last rule that the Honorable Cabinet approved is called the Meghalaya Guidelines for Community Services 2025. Now, this is also a reformative measure, as we know that when a person commits a crime and is convicted, usual punishment is either imprisonment in a jail or a fine. This is bringing a new type of punishment, which is called a community service, which means that for petty offences, minor offences, the honorable courts can sentence a person who is convicted of petty offences to community service, which includes, for example, cleaning and maintenance of wards in government hospitals, trolley movement assistance in government hospitals, arranging of books or listing of books in, say, government libraries, cleaning of classrooms or labs, etc., in government educational institutions, or cleaning with municipal corporation and cleaning staff, including planting of trees, removal of weeds, etc., in plantations run by forest department. So these are basically community service that the person who's convicted of minor offences has to undertake to serve as a sentence after conviction in a court of law. So to summarize, these are three new criminal laws, three new criminal rules, which have to be brought in line with the rest of the country as per the mandate from the MHA to take forward the implementation of the three new criminal laws in the state of Meghalaya, which have today been approved by the cabinet.
Uba Paul lang do uli thoru baga kanhun menteri Galamanjar ka Meghalaya Film Tourism Policy arhajar arpusan da gajing thumu ban penlong ya ka Meghalaya kom kacaka pedeng ban shnagi film hakat hanch telam mi. Ulong bag sarkar kalaplat patba ka draft Meghalaya Film Tourism Policy arhajar arpusan balapa ni gajing ai jingmut ni kinhuan bat barok ke badan bentah hakan ka kam bat kliyo pediang ars patli gajing ai jingmut bat lapendrung lang ni gajing ai jingmut hakan ka policy. Uba poleng do ulong ba kesorkar ka kuak ban penslur ya gejing penmi film ha kekerdan national but international. Baru ban penlong ya ke Meghalaya kom ke jaka ban sna film ha kethan stilam mingi. Bat ban tei gejing tei kebedan kam keleng kejela. Nalor kania ulong ba kesorkar kan sathaw ke film facilitation cell ban wanra ya gejing trailang ha pedang kitnat kesorkar ban kentio ya ke Meghalaya kom ke jaka ke pabyang tam ban sna film ha kekerdan regional, national ne international.
Now, as part of this policy, we have structured an agency to be called a Film Facilitation Cell, which will include representatives and officers from various agencies and departments, where the Department of Tourism, Arts and Culture, DIPR will synergize their efforts and ensure that we are able to work in tandem to project Meghalaya as a major destination for movies, both regional, national, and even international. So we will share these details with you. We can go through the policy, but briefly, what we have decided is to incentivize filmmaking in Meghalaya, where various slabs of movies will receive support through subsidies. For instance, I'll just give you one example where films made in major national languages and even international languages, which have the potential to push Meghalaya's tourism sector, will receive subsidy support of up to 1 crore rupees or 25% of the total cost of the film. And to qualify for that, they need to have at least 75% of the total shooting days within the state of Meghalaya, and that too outdoors, meaning they should depict, project our natural beauty and tourism destinations, both known and unknown. For anybody, as I mentioned, we are supporting local filmmakers to the tune of 50 lakhs for each movie made in local indigenous languages, and each such filmmaker will avail incentive once every 2 years, meaning this 50 lakhs, the amount of 50 lakhs will be accessible to that filmmaker once every 2 years to the same filmmaker. In the category of national and international films, in order for filmmakers to be eligible, they have to have at least 75% of the total shooting days of the movie within Meghalaya. And that also has to be outdoor. I mean, not in some hotel, not in some resort. For the obvious reason that we want to depict Meghalaya and its natural beauty to the outside world.
Ka Menteri Kesorkar Pedang Gebakmi Ekatanat Pelatengka Bat Ekatanat Corporate Affairs Ka Nirmala Sitharaman Hakasni Palejong Katayo Kala Pelipat Ba Eka Polo Commercial Complex Kabelatai Haka Jinglot Kabakot Shispa Klortam. Ya kene ke shopping mall jang ketanat penroisor leplie daga Menteri Kesorkar Pedang Nirmala Sitharaman haka shipho terek unaitung arhajar arpusan. Haga belai dan lang Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma usumbut Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Pak Senyau Balanghar uba kami ketenat penroiser ke Menteri ketenat Kokoi Kakia i Dr. Amperin Lindo Chief Secretary Kejelau Ba DP Walang ki Head Officer Sarkar Bat Kibai. Ya kini ke kompleks latai dek Smart City Mission haka jaga ke Bat Yuwei point Nyau Lak Square Feet haka jenglot ke Bekot Chispa point Lai Klor Tengka. Kaban kentup ya ki Chispa kendai teli kidukan bakin don ki jaka bam bekerpang baki jaka elekai ne gaming zone ki office terekam bat ki jaka peniang kali. Habakran ke jengyalang Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong boleh trelang labun snam bat ke Menteri Platengka. Bat kelalong ke beriu ke Basibun bat haba kilalit kerpa di ke bekerpang ne ke Bentang Kejela kam juang em. Ulong baga Megalaya leng baga jengerap ke Tenat Platengka bat ke Menteri Platengka kelayo abha ya ke SASCI scheme. Bat ke Megalaya ke daeruk na pedeng kita tu kani ke jelai ke beliau penan kambha ya kini ke scheme. Ulong bagni ke shopping complex kadai ke belapan wandur na ke bentar kipat ba kanong ba Shillong bat kani kadai ke jing sedang bat nang ni syakmat ansi isu ki project ki beper.
New building in a new concept, but this is actually in a way a symbol, I should say, of the progress and the plans and the transformation that we have planned for the entire city of Shillong. And this is the first building that we're inaugurating now, but there are series of other programs and projects that are coming up. So what we're seeing here today is the beginning. You will see that along the way, projects to beautify the entire riverfront, a project that's costing close to about 35 crores, has already been sanctioned and work is started. So we will actually have the entire riverfront being made into a proper tourist spot and develop it. We are also developing the entire area for the sports complex where all the major sports events take place as of now. All that is being developed. Behind that also, we have some land where we'll be again creating additional infrastructure. So all of this area will be developed. We are in very advanced talks also with the shopkeepers along in this area so that we are able to beautify this entire space. For the first time, ma'am, what I want to tell you is that this kind of a transformative project and thought process has never happened. Shillong has been the Shillong it was earlier with no major projects taking place of this magnitude. It is only in the recent past that this started, and this project is the first one to be completed, and there are many more coming in. We just showed you the projects for the new Shillong area which is coming up. That again is is going to be a very, very important part of our city. The entire new assembly is there, the NIFT is there, the IIM is there, and of course our new administrative city will come up in that area, which will further lead to the decongestion of Shillong city, and we hope that that will again pave the way for us to then develop more, and as was mentioned by you, we really look forward to having the other modern aspects of underground duct cabling, where all the water, power, other cables are all underground. So those projects are restricted because of the fact that once we start those projects and construct them, then it really affects the traffic and the vehicle movement. And anyway, Shillong is super congested, and those projects would lead to even more congestion. But that will be the second phase once we're able to shift things, and then we'll be able to implement the other projects. So I just wanted to share this this idea with you. And as I said, really soon we are tendering out the space out here. So we would like to see people bid so that we get the maximum rates for the space out here. And as mentioned, there is a lot of development on top, but we will not have the time to see. But there is also a gaming section, there is a food court, and there are of course very large space for our youngsters especially to come up and start their business and have their shops out here.
Ka Menteri Platengka ke Sarkar Penang ke Nirmala Sitharaman aksi pale jang katayo kalapenya ke jingalang jang ke North East Round Table jang ka Prime Minister's Internship Scheme PMIS ya ke balawan Malaysia bentar ke samla ke bala internship ne yo jing kai pentebit na kaleng ke jela jang ke than chitelam mingi jang kari hagane ke jingalang jang ke North East Round Table hapo jang ke Prime Minister's Internship Scheme. Lawan Banedan lang Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma, ke Menteri Keterat Kakot Kakia Dr. Amperin Lingdo, Chief Secretary Kejelau Ba DP Walang, ke Secretary Jong Ketenat Corporate Affairs ke Dipti Gor Mukherjee, ki samla ke balai internship, Kinong mi kemat jengki karkhana bagi officer sarkar ne kitanat boper. Ki samla ke balik internship ke lepan pau ke jengiat linti ke jongki ke jeng ang nuat bat kumno ke program kelawan rakyat ke jeng kela bat ajing mentoi bahaya ki. Ki samla ke lepan pau ke jeng sengongo yo menteri rang bado kari Narendra Modi bat ke menteri pelatengka kari ke Nirmala Sitharaman. Halo ke jeng ailat ki samla ke bawan ke jakai ke bana kendong banyo ke jeng mentoi lengba ke PMIS. Habakran ke jeng yalang ke Nirmala Sitharaman kalau ong bagathong ke bahakmat jangka PMIS baga jengi ijingai jeng menteri rang bado kari kalong ban kershan kito ki bampat jiyo ke assignment ne kakam. Kito ki bedan kam banyo ke jeng tebet bat dikalat ban pen ialah ke jeng syampang. Kalau ong bagane ke program kalong ban yarap ki samla ban let ki company ke babahatam ban yo ya ke jing syampang bat kerukom tre ka kam bat kumjuru ban yo ka kabu ban yo ka kam ke babyang tam ha ke jing im. Kalau pensilur ru iki samla ki bale internship ban sedang ya laki kam khai pateng bat kalau penti kena bagat tenat kan betin lenti bagan airu iki jing kersan ke bapura ya ki samla.
500 companies give those internship opportunities so that when these young boys, girls want to acquire the exposure, they go to the best of companies and understand through this internship scheme what is it that they expect in a person who seeks employment. So if you get yourself familiar with that, you will stand better chance. That was one of the objectives. So I'm glad at least some of you all are pursuing it from that perspective as well. And not that I will not speak about others, but as and when there's an opportunity, I'm coming in.
Always very often had the desire to be able to work in large companies, to be able to just get an opportunity to experience what it is like to be in a big corporate, or just to be able to work with people running big organizations and big firms. And I can tell you, we never got that opportunity. I think most of the people who are here, who are some maybe senior to me, some my contemporaries, some maybe a bit junior, will tell you, we wished that this program was there during our time too. I think one of the officials in fact mentioned it. And it's absolutely true. With great difficulty, I remember I got an internship for a few months in Citibank at that point in time. And I can tell you, I remember every single moment of that internship. And today, sitting here in front of you as the Chief Minister of Meghalaya, I can tell you, I never thought that those moments and those experiences I had as a small intern, just like what you are going through today, would help me, would bring out qualities and instill certain professional aspects into me, which till today are part of my work culture. And therefore, I really would like to take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Prime Minister for his vision, the Honorable Union Minister for her commitment, and the entire setup of the Corporate Affairs Department, headed very capably in the bureaucracy by Madam Dipti, and the entire team, for the passion with which they are working for this program. It really is remarkable. And though it's just a pilot phase, I'm sure when you listen to the individuals who spoke, somewhere along the way, maybe not everybody's language or everybody's statements may have touched everybody, but I can assure you somebody's statement has touched each one of us. Some connect you could find. Somewhere you could have a sense of, I should say, satisfaction to see how our youth are being nurtured today.
Hakala asngi uble jangkatayo ke sarkar kalesyong ya kejingalang bat ki head officer ka National Human Rights Commission. Hakaba kele tai sani kejingdan kam banbo ya ke office jangka sub zonal jangka Narcotics Control Bureau hakanong ba Shillong. Komisi benta jangka jengkun kejela persyayo drugs. Ka sarkar jela hakah nyutrik naitung arajar arpusan kala penlong ya kejingelang bat kihe ka National Human Rights Commission NHRC banekran lor kejingkun kejela bantala kami kejing sapriang drugs. Hagan kejingelang leidan rengkat special monitor ke NHRC Rakesh Asthana hakab leidan rengkat usembut menteri rang ba kejela uba Preston Tunsong menteri ketenat social welfare uba Apolengdo bat kihe sarkar jela. Habakran ni gelak patai kubor Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare ubak Polengdo ulong baga jingyalang ka la keren halor kumno baga sarkar Meghalaya kalapan jingerap nak NHRC banwanra ek office subzonal jangka Narcotics Control Bureau NCB hakanong bak Shillong. Banalor kani ke sarkar kalapan ru nak NHRC ban mang pisah ban tiat artli kali scanner kenang baniok ban kemik ki drugs nak kali ki ban rung spok kejela. Ubak Polengdo uli tu bahag kejingilang kle kerana lo kejingdan kami ki an ki bekam klan berkerpat ya ke sarkar preng ban penjelan ya kejing set along hapok ka PIT and DPS Act syaka laisnam kenang mentek la kami kinong kai drugs ki bela kambonsian ya menta sangut ki beriau kelangat hapok ka PIT and DPS ka bakar arngut kedang dan hapedang kejing bishar berula kenturu banang mang kambon ka pisah ka bayadai bat kejing bo ya ki drugs counselor bak kejing penkai ki fast track court banyak ban penkloy kejing tian bishar. Menteri Ketenat Social Welfare uli thuru banakal yang Rakesh Asthana uli ro iksenjam ki balasyam dengan Meghalaya menikun persyayo drugs. Kam tambah kabedai bat ka project Dream. Kabes nok tilang bat baro ban penduk jat drugs.
Kani ka dei kejing kenduk ka ba Deputy CM sembut Menteri Ramba badai baik Ketenat kam poyeng Pak Preston Tunsong lepanya ke Jingalang ke ba nyalisi benda ku Menteri juga Social Welfare. Tingi don ya uni officer bawan na bar jongka state u Mr. Rakesh Asthana Special Monitor jongka National Human Rights Commission u belalong tengru u DG jongka BSF pat kumju jongka Narcotics Control Bureau. Kedi kejing keduk kalau badan kam nomor ba kairap ba kaniga NHRC kan skutu syapang ke jinglong jingman jong ka state hagdai jingidai bat kejing keta jong kejing don jong kejing dri yakini giji drugs kiba bu jima yak imlang salang ti kejing keduk mentara sengi ni la berpau kikat tu ni kimat kiba don kam nak yang jong ka sarkar jela ka bangi wat kejing elap jong ka sarkar kemi kawai nagini kaidai bat kejing don kam kejongi ya kini ki kali ki bangi on ki vehicle scanners ki ba ki kimdegi kali ki scanners ki ba scan ki ba tapi ya ki kali ke kini ki scanner ki record lut ya kejing don jing em manu barung bat ki ki jatiar ki barung syakane ke jela dekani kadang dan haka proses nama kadang skim ni jongka sarkar India ke bangi ngala propose mentala shisnem tam bangin don ya kini scanner de ngaliang jonggu ni special monitor lah kular ba un ele ban intervene pada jongka state government di kala don ru ka proposal ban don no eka ka sub zonal office lani ka tat rekam jong kenika national juga NCB Narcotics Control Bureau ka badika office ka ba control ya ka jing ka ba khang la di jing rum joki drugs sha dari India tinglai kran ru shapang ki wei pada ki jing don kam kum ka ba nyerap yangi ha ka bangin pen klan nakal yang jong ka an kata pemut kum ya ki fast track court kum pitip ki don ki kes ke se ke bede bat ke jing sha thambot ki kena mo boxo ya ke bakadon ki ke court ke bakarpang tingi kwa ai ke bakum kata ke court nomor ke jing duna jong ki officer ki balong available tinggipan yang kerjaan juga NHRC akan dikebenta.
Uba poleng do ubadiru menteri ketenat jengok kai pertai kejela ulapan pau kejing kermen bah ka arpu artarik unaitung barok ginong dia madan nak kendailat kin ko ngu no ban kendria nak kena kejaka bat bagian no kejaka ke balamang da ke sorkar da ke bakedau bakarai jong kayeng syari Meghalaya High Court kelapan skam kejing temu jong ke sorkar ban kendria ginong dia madan la ban kedau bak sorkar jela kala menjur ban aji ngerap ginong syong dukan madan ki ba menjur ban kendria bat kin yo ru ikasong pisa ba arpo hajar tengka bagentup kejing siu lupa ba 10 hajar tengka ba kejing siu ba ar hajar tengka malau benai na kebentasan benai habakran dikilat patai kubor uba poleng do ule tu bahadian balapan kendria alut ya barok ginong dia madan na ki surok kendailat ke sorkar kan pen internet barkan pen bahai kene katan kum kejaka yat kejat batang kitu ki basa ka katan kin yo banyak kali kataru ya kapor ansepen bet hadian.
Well, we have adequate manpower, and also the High Court verdict has in fact strengthened our case, and by 22nd of July, we expect complete compliance by all vendors, meaning everything will be freezed on that day itself. One major plan that we have been advocating is the pedestrianization of the entire road from the entry point to Kandailat up to Jail Road on the right side and Sasun on the left side.
So there will be beautification.
Beautification, there will be pedestrianization, and only those staying in that particular area will be issued passes which will allow them to reach their homes, and that also it will not be throughout the day. We will have timing, entry timing and also exit time. Muda, we almost it's available now. Everything is already in place, and this is phase 1. Once we are successful in phase 1, we will then take up the remaining phases. In that the street is their natural habitat, their home, we have done much than what any other government would have done. Gone out of our way, invested in that space, and given them more than a year's time to relocate. So we've been very fair.
Usembut Menteri Rangba ke Jelau basnya walang dahar ulang ru chairman jaga regional committee ke West Janta Hills. Ha ka singiba ar jang tayo ulalit jengok ya kesnong lapangap kepada naga district West Janta Hills ke balami ke jeng kenat dangshen bat kejat Menteri Karbi jang ke Jela Assam. Ha kini ke jeng net jureb ubasnya walang dahar laidon lang Chief Executive Member ke Janta Hills Autonomous District Council ubat Thumbor Shiwat MDC Deputy Commissioner Wabinav Kumar Singh Superintendent Kipulit Jakpal Singh Dhanowa bat kinong alam shnong. Ha ka ba kilalit banjingo ke shnong lapangap ha ke district West Janta Hills ke belami ke jingi kena dangshan. Ubasnya balang dhar ulalit banjingo ke shnong lapangap ban kemi ke jingnong jingman. Bat ulit jingo ke jakarep jeng kinong shnong ka lapangap bat penlong ru ke jingi lang ha ka madan nela ka jeng ke shnong. Banekiran ke jingi ka bedai ba ke jing shingan bat jingi ada kinong shnong. Ubasnya balang dhar ulong barangshan kelami kejing kenat akan ikatan kadai namar bagi patba kelap persajur kejing wan thong diang jubor bat shim bakane kejing lek kadai kejing wan kentur upur usam jaga jela bat ki patba kelalit banjin ratno ikni ketan rai diang ulong bakum magalong menta lapene aku magalong ne lapene ak status quo ndre kejing ek bami kadai bagi pat khasi jantia kemla bandai sik jakarep jungki bat ulong bak sorkar kan sejim kya bakan saya kena umat kena bagian la banyak la lut kemajulong bat bakan amdan kanu kejeng pentot ulia tu ru basyan ki deputy commissioner na bro arti ki jela kan saya kendo ban penbet yang kena kam haga bede bagajing shingan ji pat ba ulia tu balabo ya sau pongut ki pudet ke snong lapanga ban penti kena ki jing shingan bat ke jing ya dai ki pat ba
ben karo ton kamu ni jaj au ju yu kam bodar kam ni man ko Tibet Cakanduli, Tibet Calangpi, Tibet Cakiling, Tibet Semokro Andre. South two issue wadu net di paus nem. Handem ju toy wadu let metu handai. How am kam gini ka urgency go am ge vid kam ga auri aura go do thia do dem go penmong i won tom to penmong kam tampi kam gutri chong south two o ku ju note phi. tengah nak keling yung aman kau MLA yung pimbo tension bi ngabu ke jingkular le ni bentai yung pik soal pangap nga en extend nga ye ule tang em ke bentan ule mau udu ji im ke bruyong ah ibu ke sarkar kam te kre go nei bal danga layo kamu lai ku mumpai jingai ya ra ar ka wait ke tari ta yo yap cha du mesin ke bruyong au du mesin nei te kat we wala i ke sarkar tem ju cha ye totally against it woro udisi upli wa mbakti ka dong i yung pi USP unang wan temi ma jak palu dang join ne uma pasa wara sangaba wam khat ar wuji siya lum ju salia wan chini ni bentai yong pi dan ni kwa kanang wan danga la kwa kan di jo wan hawa auri gam ni hala panga umjo mu wan ne ba wa dang arsin wo yaman gam ni te kwa wan danga han yo ga exact ki to ka problem te ka problem ni de khana ge he na le yo pi de khana ma pasa inga da highlight ki clearly wa ka point do ga wi to wa mu tu den ni wadap te ka war wan ga jingwit kwa khmat do to ka te wa myo di yong i burtang yo la yo wan style te ka te mutu mit nga yo chong chief minister yo khana chu chu so kini to ki problem de khanang wa pundu yo no yo lai yo wan kam ju yo lai tem to klam mutu man step ne ba ka kam out of chimpor ko te sam bhaw ya chai ni ba ka first duty ko le hagini si da wan yo ule kam ju le jan yo e nga mutu mi do corner bi tai ka he na ta ka chong tai language phar phau chnong wo kini li leng lambak ni lam ro di si yo perchang ji pani sem yo perkhari kamon yo le kam ju le khna yo le yo thu yo lai wan yo le bi musum musnam pra i te ki pulit ni ba auri binga kan bong de phi kriya ngam kriya ki le am kam han pun bon so am tan ki pulit botin sar de ki pulit te nei te da wa bon sen nga jo klam yo he chnong yong phi ki he yong phi wa kat wi wala hi kan mo le yo kaw yo ko bring am kam yo just pa to yam nei ba yo bon sen le jai won ki plat chnong wan de byur ki ki wa edu ki plikte chung ber ki problem ni te kado kam te khublai chi bon nei ba yu be adu ni ki yaw lai la man phi corporate do sarkar u district i mem le pracha bi hadun ni si man ke jing suk jing san mem gawon to kita kadang ye widang thut dang man ni ke jing ye klam ngala do tu ke si kon kong am ke problem ni khana pi to arau su ko ta be nga ma pasa i mem ye thia i so he chnong yo ni ki o le to CM le pracha mi ki pli ye klam ko ta kar bi ngalong ye bi ke problem khajak to ta kar bi ngong district sta to ye pheri go yong i to em gila ka jong ka pawar to always in line state go te ka da por rap hab ye klam arli te na yo CM ka do em lang nei o lo chim khia wan ki ya ko da wan yo ye perchim yo perchang gu ye chem penarup ki CM yo ye klam ji ka juk sa do to do pun ba ba ga ni auri aura yo lai do do thia do dem prai te ka te na ka leng yo nga ka asuri piwa lakat choman le mbotin sarbi myo gru le ben ka chong yo i kamu jo ngam yo di we klam penar liang ka kam put kam sam to kam yung state government to ye do thia we auri do pai ba ka pai ba to yo lai wan kam jo ka kam put to state government bai penar li state ile upher de wala gi me khalia cha sam lo rebel liang gi ile upher up sya gi ka sam me khalia wo jo man de chubo mun tu la berni hat em gi asam kam tham chu berni hat to kam gi ki moi thau ba ya to chubo mun tu yam thau cha sam du li kam thau yung ki mo te ga ni to khajak pai ba bon sen ki pirap sa tu bakla gi ya yang ikut gisla gini berbuat mahli hator warok sajan sini nah tu homa pasa kenang mani klam lo yo pa isket to boy em gue kam yo nga ba kot mem te kenang ilo yo bor yo evidence ni mani klami hag regional committee te kata to we mountain son bi ta srui wi kadang em ke jing wit hawa hanai narab huri hura sa ba yo krek kam lang bagi nong pula choi ulai ko won musum musnam uwan to yul tim sa wan ko ile wan ngam kate tang kate wi ga penduk to di ko ngulangi kamu jo ang go start nei bentai bahai miet hon rap jemi khajak sebet spor lem pher ni tai leng la ka joi nan leng ka joi ngana o yo tulram nang phone tu siu sian ga sam o pai de miet na i kam go chong chu ki te kamera mi upenyo thia i pai ba am to pendo thia i pai ba chu ji si yaw ye phone tu si ne te da sa kriya te to kriya chi benta cha dan de yo bi kriya di sbi te suki yul pi uperchang you solve even you bhatam ne bhatam because we have known that for the last few weeks there is a problem in some location in between this Lapangam and Karbi people, where this Karbi people come and planted a tree. They are doing the plantation crop, so which our people is totally against it. And after they plant, after a few days, our people from Lapangam they go and uproot the trees, and there is a quarreling come and a problem come. So that's why we Now we put force from our side. Minimum force around 40-35 of them now presently on the site. And also now the plantation is no more that site. So as of now everything's in status quo. So the problem is that our own people, they can't go to their paddy field now. So this is the only job left now we are yet to discuss in these days to come, so that at least they can move freely like before. There will be no disturbance among them.
Kinong lam shnong bagi rupat ba katan keling hak distrik Riboy kabadan hak jaka kaput pat kajela Asam. Hak kharwe trek naitung arajar arpusan kila pendam jur ke jengwan le don bor gi breu ke Asam kibala rung bat le menle ko makhandrai ki karkhana tliat mau kibala nangane kathan. Klem da ajung tip ni boru ni bor pade khmi jong shnong jong ka keling. Kumulu jor de ginong lam shnong kibala pen pau ke jeng sokya ke bajur halo ke jengwan le jubor jogi breu na kajela Asam. Kilong bagila surung jubor si karkhana tliat mau berenang dengan than yang bakam bagi digibreu jong sorkar Asam bat gibam ikmat ru nak yang syari jong jela Asam. Lepan pauru bahaga jeng persang bantli halor kani ke jengwan khandra jongki. Kinong lam shnong kathan kiling keliok pentip ru balalam kemat ya kani kakam di ginong Asam bat duwe breu batip keteng ngom jitul deka breu ubran hakamat ya bagi sorkar Asam kumulakam. Reha bagi nong lam shnong bagi nong tok kubor ke distrik Riboy kila persang bankeli dan panekran batu halo kene kejeng khandra ulah kentat ban juba bat phat kerat nok nang kejaka ki jaka bagi breu ke Asam kila let ban khandra ki kentup naduk kejaka bahap apa put usam jong skul ba USTM bat katukan ni ki karkhana tliat mau. Reha den bagi nong tok kubor ke jela Meghalaya kila persang bankeli berwat penia halo kene kejeng khandra jong ini ki breu kila phat pak nang kejaka. Nagaliang ginong syong shnong ka kiling bat ginong ilam shnong kila penpau ba kani kade jingyu roj ka hok jongki nong syong shnong bat kim buram sho ginong ilam shnong banwan pentip ginong ilam shnong ha ba kilit ban khandra lele ekanu kanu ka kam ha ka ba kila benrap ru ba kani jing le jigi bena jela Asam kala pensubajor ba kala benan ke aka shalendat tang menyu onong ki kattu kani ki he naga jela Asam.
Hey, excuse me. जवाब देना
आप कैसे जाएगा हम लोग मीडिया से आप जवाब दीजिए आप कहाँ से आए
ऑन व्हाट बेसिस आप लोग ये आपका क्या कंप्लेंट है यहाँ पे
आपका क्या कंप्लेंट है बताइए
हाँ भाई आप कैसा है दिस इज नॉट द जुरिसडिक्शन ऑफ असम गवर्नमेंट असम ने आप क्या गवर्नमेंट ऑफिशियल है क्या आप कौन है आप कौन है हाँ
आप कैसे आया जवाब दे दो आप कौन है कोर्ट में केस है
अरे आप कैसे आप कौन है
आप बताइए ना आप खुद अपॉइंट किया आप अपॉइंट किया
Palat hajar ngut kinong syok shnong kamai kuli ke beni shnong ke beran hak jaka kapot ke jela Meghalaya bat Asam ke beran hak distrik Riboy. Kelimi padba banyak padba ban persya ajur ke jing syak ni eno jongki ya ke pungri dokha bat ke belasya penhap ke jela Asam kat kum ke sekolah blesoi ha perengki artli ke jela kat kum ke jing keren tembet puat jong ko bat ke beningkong. Hagni ke jing mi padba lapan long biang de kinong syok shnong kamai kuli balalam khamat di rurang ba shnong Nicholas Marak. Nang tau Henetson Marak ubade urang ba shnong barim bat kiwe kinang elam shnong rengkat ke kenuhun ki samla bat kilong kemelong kepa ke belara di kejing thok boper ban persyajor ke ne kejing syak penhap no ya ke ne ke pungri dokha syaka jela Asam. Nagaliang kini kinang elam shnong kamai kuli ke lepan paw ke jing sokya ke bajur halor ke jing hap no jong ke ne ke pungri dokha syaka jela Asam ke ba kilari le sumar la palat san pos nem tam. Ba kilong makadairu ka wain kilat ban penmi ya kidok ha bat keban kentiu ru ya kayok kokot jongki. Depan pauru bagisnong mai kuli hapo opo dusam jong distrik Riboy. Kedi gisnong kebala rim tam ma kejela baginong syong kilong kita kinong yada yo opo dusam jong kejela. Na kejing syak kentur puat ke bejuja man lagi senam. Bagi lapan pauru bakum kinong syong kidap na kejing kemen balik jing itu na do na menteri rangba baningkong kejela Meghalaya u Captain Williamson Sangma. Bagi long bagi layo urus shibun ke jing Arab no Dr. Didi Lapang ubala bat bon sian syuki menteri rangba ke jela Meghalaya. Kilong magidap na kejengkeman kebakrau bantip bagajala Meghalaya ba Assam kelihat cekamat ban penbet nak pura yo put usam. Ndrai kim syem lapoi perkat pat bagajaka keba kum kasnong kalong trai na upus na menchwa. Maria pia ya uput usam bat bala penbet kila hab bandu no. Cucu kila pentip bagi ladap banbu ya kidor khas jauh Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma yang tahu sembut Menteri Rang Ba Kejelau Ba Preston Tensong di bawah penyak distrik Keribhoi bat keladawa ban penkelano ekani kesas sekolah keberadaan esoi ba Kejela Assam. Akabedai ba kejeng penhap no ekani pung ridokha jong kamai kuli sya Kejela Assam.
Area out of the shared area, claim area of 2.29 square kilometer, a total of 0.50 square kilometer, approximately parts of the village Maikuli, Pilangata, and Borabata Stoneguari area will be with Meghalaya. Further, in Khanapara area, out of 0.08 square kilometer demanded during the discussion, it is agreed that the ASTC transit camp of police outpost Namkor Assamese inhabited area of number 1 Khanapara village and Dreamland Resort area totaling approximately 0.03 square kilometer will be Assam. That place also, some Khanapara area also already given to Assam. The rest of the 0.5 square kilometer area, including the entire apartment complex of Brahmaputra Realtors Private Limited, will be with Meghalaya. In rest of the portion between ASTC Transit Camp to Dreamland Resort boundary will be along with the road connecting to the GS road. In Patarkusi area, inhabited by Garos and other ethnic communities of Meghalaya and their religious and cultural places, if any, will be included in Meghalaya during detailed survey. In Maikuli area, Muammari Bill, which is adjacent to Maikuli playground, will remain with Assam. That's why we are protesting this very important matter, that the playground will be Meghalaya and graveyard will be Meghalaya. Then between this fishery pond, how it is going to Assam? That's why we have protesting this thing, especially this fishery pond. We have maintaining more than 50 years. So we have constructed returning wall and job card, signboard is also here, and fishery. We have given pieces here. Every year we have catching and we have selling, and that financial we have managing some schools and others also. That's why I request our Honorable Chief Minister Konrad Sangma, please look after this matter again and again. We have submitting memorandum also, and earlier we have submitted and details, historical and what to say, everything we have submitted to you. So please, sir, you please consider this matter and give back to the Maikuli village.
Walagi pulit penyihat kali kila penskutu managapor bankiar nagbanyak kali hapadeng kajing syong syet kau yang. Hendrai kani omdan baken snap bat dang ha kasni ublay jang katayo ko balala namar kajingnya syong syet kau yang ya kekali kalalam penban sya kajing ja aksiden. Daga belit tenra ekawai kekali Maruti bat ekakali kabla syong 2 MLA ke North Shillong Constituency halat Nehru Park ha Umyam ha ke distrik Ribhoi. Hakajannya jangka beritarik menaitung arhajar san kawai kekali kabla meher da kajing syong syet kau yang kalalit tenra ekawai kekali Maruti pada kekali kabla syong 2 MLA ke North Shillong Constituency uba adal bat nongrom halat Nehru Park keberan Umyam ha ke distrik Ribhoi. Agni kejengja am jumlah dan mano ke pandang saujer nrei kini gilai kali gila jular ha kejengja aksiden. Iku bor ke beliau lum ke itu bau belanya kali Maruti Espresso keberan number ML Not Sun AB rasan lainnya dapat hairstart ba bat anda poi hakalat jan Nerupa lalit terak nengkong bet-bet kawai kali Maruti keberan number ML Not Sun C neriusan hinyo kendai keberan argut ki kendai hadu bakasyaka keberan cedian kalalat senan cerut. Bat hadian kani lalit benten rapat saya kali Scorpio keberan number ML Katway Not pra kebelah syong doba adal bat nongrom rengkat bat kakurim kakiau bat kikun kat baki dang temu manit cenong po Uba adal buat nongro mulong bagadau jong ni kejing ja aksiden ka denamar bau banyak aka kali Maruti Espresso ude ubala song chet kau yang bar ula pen hairstyle bha ndrei da kejing ya da ublai mau urang kat bagi bah yang basem bagi bagi balangat lang hai da kejing ja aksiden kilalat da kejing mensau ki pudet jong katanat yam kilawan poi sing ka jaka ban penlong ya kejing toket bat kile alam ya baru ban let le ka medical check up ya baru kini ke belamat ya kini kejing ja aksiden
penong cerot buat kumju ki national highway le golong botong kamperan nomor ko over speed limit jong kibri ko long palat ti kam tam ra kila dei lup sakaba kidi ibam kandong ki ke jingma ka khrau bar jingja accident kes man kasngi ke kani ka pen wara ya kejing ka kadi bonon ra ka alam na ka banta man pelong ka alam ya ka police department ka traffic makin trace tom makin penklan ya kita ki patrolling ke jongki kamtam kini ki flying squad mo ka ba hidong kamban penklan nam taban yada na kini kino ki jingja ke belum unnecessary wanted mo ko bon sin ki ja ki ba ko gimpoi perkat ken ko bamdei ru banja ko sno unnecessary ko wanja pat tanah kadau jongki katu kan ni pat ki ba nya de ki kali hatara rushing driving ke jongki kedi ban sim bagi ban penistom karkum kalenti ke badai karkum ka an nomor kani ko masuk ong fi meneng pan kemau biang bukan unnecessary kasuan ka problem bar ka unjuk sudu ai ki man sim ki baloi nak ko ka port badan bok pat ni ke singi kamdon ki jingja pas ni ti ngapo ai ban kren ko sai ngadi unom ikmat bang la i jong ikmat kila ya songset ba kau ka kali ka ba latera yang ni arteli kali bangi bang sungu bakaan ki de bandek la jong kamram kenang bakan pen hoi dagim la bangin pen du la ni pen sange ini ke accident kan post railing scam di ban ya eta berhenti ban target nam ta ban reduce ban control ko ban penduna ban tek la kam lem kumta kan don ka jingma ko man kasing ko ba man sim boleh cidu
Hadian bagi pulet ke distrik East Khasi Hills kelio ekejung ujor balakeno bagi pulet jong katanat seora kila bom latiat iwe usamla kumta kila pelong mardor ekejung toket da ke pensyong nongrem kat kum kakai pot jing toket haga si balang jaga tayo la suspend no mardor ya uwe usap inspector bat saungut ki pulet unarmed branch constable jong katanat seora halor kejung keno bagi pulet jong katanat seora kila bom latiat iwe usamla bangkat kendai sem kata Nagaliang Superintendent ke Pulet ke East Khasi Hills uba Vivek Siem. Ula bata ia Sub-Divisional Police Officer bantu oket baban IT ke Kaipot hapo stayo. Laban kedua hangnya ba ke kong Mildred Jerwa hakanyo terik unaitung kelawan ke office ke Meghalaya Human Rights Commission Shillong bar ke office Superintendent ke Pulet ke East Khasi Hills. Ben ujor lor kejing keno wa ukon jongka u Gatwin Jerwa kat kendai senam kerta. Ula sya abom haki Pulet ke tanat seora hado pun demen saujur. Kadgum ki ejahar balapa asya superintendent ki pulet lakedau bahakalai terik unaitung arajar arpusan ka kemia kelawan yalam hiu kuon jongka syaka tanat seora hakapor kumbakan dai bijem step badak ne kejan miet hi gal syauno elo kuon naga tanat ndai ka belengok kolong bo kuon jongka ulah sya bom sya atiet ki pulet hadu ulah mensau bat kumta kelai lam no yu syaka seora CHC kebahadian kilapa ara no asya Shillong Civil Hospital bat la sumar kene hospital dan dok penyu terik unaitung Habakiran ni gelak patai kubor USP City ubah Herbert penyiat Karkongor uli tu bahag tarik unaitung ka tanat seora kalayo ekejung ujor na kirang ba asnong ka maupis iem seora kalor uwe ubrio ubah la tombor ya uwe pat ubrio la tu keteng kumujab majau bad halor ka jing berngem bersit ujab majau da ka balik sama koru kaban kaliang ka dorbar asnong maupis iem kelakot hajar u banwan ka dorbar Haga arpu praterik ujelio badak si terik unaitung mbek keluman. Kumta kele ujor dak ejahar halo kene kejing jas ki pulet. Nakaliang ki pulet haba kele yo jing tip kele persang ban kem no yu ndre kim semlayo namar ulah pet kene kejaka. Badak kalai terik unaitung ka kemia jung u kalawan yalam no yo Gatwin. Sya kene ka tanat badak kene kejuhi ka singal syauno. Ndre hakah nyu terik unaitung ki pulet kele yo opdiang ya kejung ujor na ka kemia jung Gatwin Jerwa. Bla Sya tombor ki pulet jong katanat seora. Badak lor kani nakaliang superintendent ki pulet East Khasi Hills ula betha ban penlong ya kejing toket halor kani.
Ha, jam tu kan, jam sejak itu namanya, sejak namanya itu lah, ada beli angka lah, instrumen itu like untuk media shop, technical shop one untuk ayu untuk sistem, pihak lo bom dan ini kesat, ada panggilan, sudah, kini
Kemudian kita ansar beli buku nak misal, orang
Nanti orang yang ngambil semua yang pun tidak dan lebih pendat kawan. Kawan si benar ini, ambil dasar saya. Pindah di orang apa ada semua nak apa uang lah sistem. Dengan saya pada dengan saya. Masa orang pada masa orang mengambil hospital dengan orang tidur nak tisu ini ada sebuah ambil hospital.
Mentah ngelawan bu ya ka komplain buat ka Human Rights Commission dan aku ngelapa ya ko ke FIR buat ka post tender police dong ka is kasil sebab direksi dan kalian ni pak direksi yang lu ilaong ka dan siya kum kani kesinja session inside inquiry sa pada session ni kesinja ko paksan ni namar ajan ban ki puar ka tunja iki tentam gini ki kun semula ki ni jadi bisa bom bisa tiap buat orang kaai kita misuse na yang kami buat tu ki dah kaba semua hangai buat kejilek tu ki ni kendam sisa karena kalian kasang yang saya buat dia apa ide bukan ide kes kalau ada dia kendu iki nong dalam kibat fight kani po civil hospital na kalian di ki ru kila pensai long bahabi ide bukan dibuat ngenom la ban IP nomor bukan ke police case okay fine yang dan ai kata panile iban wat pada kata ka report ke ba on sen on sayo na ni na po ka civil hospital but hakabay bukan report ke bangilayo na po ka CHC sora nilada na ni bat ngan sa ay di press room bat ngan submit ru sa po di department body fight balada kani ka jing complain ka jing kanumpoy sa ICA ru ngan sa report pat sa sigiway ki benta ki department ki ba di fight habay day ba kum gini ki jingja ki ba jingja haka.
See, the human right is there, and it is their right also to send. And for us, police also, it's a duty to inquire and find the facts. And depending upon the facts, the necessary action will be taken.
Hadin kijing ujor jing kong mildrat jerwa bo kuon jing u gatgan jerwa ularan dikidak mensawa kemet jing u bala subajur bagade keblale di pulet akapor bush aset ha katanat sora. Kumtagi pulit ki East Khasi Hills kilashim kia mardor kani kijung ujor bala betha yo ba B1 Swed MPS ubdai u subdivisional police officer ka penursla ban penlong ya kijing toket ban IT ka kai pot jong kijing lap na kijing toket ha ukarwa na USP ke East Khasi Hills uba Vivek CM ula pentep bada ga pensyong nang rem kat kum ka kai pot jong toket aka kendai trek naitung la suspend no mardor ya we sub inspector bat sangut ki police UB constable jong katanat sora ula pentip la sedang ru yaga departmental proceeding persya gini pulet bala register mukoduma ru iki hapo ka tanat sora hapo ka kendon ka bahap jong ka BNS bada kijing toket la penlong ha kedan ki inspector na keleng ki tanat ban penti kena bagan umdan kanu kajing syaliang superintendent ki pulet la penpauru ba ka Meghalaya police ka yang scam ha kajing kular ban bat scam ka an da baro ki pulet ki berani kedan beper bat benda ada kebeteng ya percaya kinu ki pulit ki badan keti ha ke ban le palat pot ne ban penan kambal klai ke bor ke jongki ki pulit ke jela ha kemit jongkala sing uble jong katayo ki liok ban kem yo we urang ba ubla tep kerteng kum uba stoning karpuli ubla pedre halo ke jingdon keti ha ke ban le bi ijat bonsian ke ka kena ke badang khatsan senam karta kabala pla hadian bala syam ba kalapun kun USPCT uba Herbert Peniat Karkongor Ulang bako bikalong kami kalau ujar ke ejahar haki pulet hadian bagal syam baka kon jaka ke barang khatsan senam karta kalapun kon bat kalapla bagane kejingja kalaja ba kala syale bi jot labun sien hau ba stoning karpuli ki pulet jong ka tanat maulai kala register kene kejingja hapo ki kendon jong ka pokso act bat ka BNS arhajar arpulai pada kene kena layalam no Shaganish Das Hospital hagi trek naitung hadian belabatha daga PHC ban pelong syuk kejingga kita ski babnia Bada ka hinyaw trik naitung la plat no eka bakarit pa syalayen. Uba Herbert Karkongor uloong bagi pulit kila persyang la bonsian ban kami nunong le bi ijat Ndre ula pet na kawe kejaka shkuai pat. Ndre hakamiat jong kah nyau tarik unai tong arhajar arpusan. Kipulit kleo kemno yu na kishnong saat sening kabahaba ke distrik Riboy.
Yu na city shupo Riboy district but kani kadileng ba kajing trelang jong pulit na maulay pulit jong sening na Riboy but ruki special cell na po ka iska sales team nila yu kem yu but kadang jing tokit kadang yai but adin kata angin so forward yu shupo
USPCT uba Herbert penyat Karkongor ula pentip bah hakamiat jangkah nyau tarik unai tong wai samlau la mensau na kejing syadong da katari na kejing huri hura ka belajah ka wikalong yeng kabadan amaulai nong mali ulong bakani ka huri hura ka lajah pedeng jeti sieng hakapor men step ka bagi pulit kem syamlayo jing tep ai badai hakapor men miat bagi pulit kelayo ka jing tep bakla dan kejing yesho kumta wai pulit officer ka thanat maulai ulalet ban tamme kene kejing yesho balala buwai samlau blaktip kerteng kumukrau bok khongset uladan arp saus nem kerta ula mensau na kakti jong u na kejing sya dong da katari ki pulit kila register muka dumai kene kejing jab kejing toket karangya chkamat badadu mentakim pati okem ya nuru dia bentip ka dau tenrai jong kene kejing ja
tiga longgom ni jing sia katu kari ka jing ya show up teng ar kanhun ki long ki family kan long ye tika sedang nadu men step ka jing show andringi kampat yo information bagadan mata ka jing jam step mo namar kila ye don ka jing klumarang to ti hadin beto men damiet pada sting miet yo ka information bagadan sa kani ko ka jing show yang kadang continue sa ka jing show ti hadin ketu ngi sa officer na po mulai PS night officer la urut ula lek tu kajaka bantam ni katu ti hadin de lapoi hang tu lalap ba kala don sisa ka de jing show aba we ba ten robot concept mo ba saus nam ula men saw ba na kati ka jung but kini ka jing jaru ki amul jahapo mulai normally ti men ti yakini ki mentangi dang penyat ya yu case ni register ya case ro penyat ka jing toket Tiki abun ki involve ka long dua family kan ketu ka mata ki tang yat ki tang tokit
lemar fiol ba dia gaji kerja oh kan kan ngono gaji penbaik dia gaji kama bakre hapen dan tine ka ibu perlu
hadu petang empat ya yo mah kata kai ayu ndrei kumtang ngi pada na kalian gajong ngi tingin hapan ne ya yang investigation ni la ya ngila yo ba uni wi baru la mensah ti na ngin serius sih ya kan case hadu mentang kadang iu empat ya iu empat kan kila detail ni gitu ki breu mila ye ki iu mo masenjo tu information de ki pulet chungir kila rashi syaka tu spot kala dan ketu altercation hang tu mo te hadin ketu de la rai ki sitanat pat kina punya itu tok kita iki dan ki jingya klumar apa yang jungki hang tu jingya klumar jungki te halor ketu jingya klumar jungki te ki ka kluit ka pois ka jingya kluit but nakli ka kampat dan ye ka jingya mensau tu tata ndrei nakaliang ka jungi pada ngin nakaliang ju IC ulara iki shotana
Hakabayday bagajing sedang jur biang ki kamtu akalang jaka janganong ba shlong USPCT ulong bagi pulit kila penjur ka jingyat pahara hakalang jaka bente alakam ki kamtu bat ki pulit kila kamru ya kini brio kebadan kti hakni ki kam sneo ndrekladan bagi jingja ke bagi pulit ki 4 yo kam ya ke badan kti ulong bagi dan gijingja ke bagi brio kelawan cakamat ban pentep kat badan pat gijing syatu ke bagi pulit kela syemhi da ka sebuah moto case bal kelebut dendu gi video ke bala penmi ikilat patai kubor bala penlong ya gijing toket bala yo kamru gi brio ke badan kti bagi dandu gijingja ki ba 4 yo kam satya ndrai kidang yai but dien bet haduk mentah uba Herbert Karkongor ulong bagi jingmi ki kamtu kadai namar bagi don ki brio ki bam don yeng dan sem barwan ki kena ki mangap bagi jing di drugs bat ki pulit kli akam ya bongot ki brio ki bam don yeng ki basyusa ki surok hakabalala ban pensisa bagi ladan ketiru hakikam di drugs bar ulong ru bakene kamtu kam de setia kbalale da kanu ke kenhun pentriam ula kerpat igi dukan yeng shimet ban ubat igi shnong ki tau ban bo iki kor CCTV haki jakapat ba namarkane kan yarap Shibun Ka Menteri Pelatengka ke Sarkar Pedeng kan Nirmala Sitharaman hagasitok diang jogatayo Kalapan pau bagi jela Meghalaya, kalau opdiang yaki kampen roi boper lengba ka Special Assistance to States for Capital Investment, neka SASCI scheme. Lengba ka neka scheme lakmi baka ajing mentoy baka manra aru yaki jingkala ha kelengki benta jong ke jela Meghalaya. Habekran bat kinong pathai kubor ka Menteri Latangka Sarkar Pedang Nirmala Sitharaman. Kalau ong ba khat pratli gejela kilala aban penduna ya kejing pensep eka ya kejaga hagi industrial area. Arpo artli kejaga la sya menta bakin bo iki hotel hagi industrial zone bat arpo pratli gejela ki lesna iki hostel iki nong treken thai kentup Meghalaya ya kabala bo imo nong rem. Kalau orang bakal Sarkar Pedang kalau ayah gasong pisah ke arpu arti gejela, kibel kenjok pelat shpau nak sispa gajing kio ha gajing pulut pisah nala dia. Bakal Sarkar Pedang kalau ayah pisah bagi jelaru kila penon kamlang ya lah pisah, bagi layo ya gasong pisah ba arpau hajar keluar tengka kumka performance incentive. Kementeri kalau baka SASCI scheme kelerap bahai gejela ban penbuan ni ginong kenti, kaba kalau ba am tharai bagian la expose dan manuan klaim gani kepisah. Bagi Sarkar Pedang kalau Arab ru iki jela bikin yo iki project ibabai tengka nabar kari kumu World Bank bat ke Asian Development Bank. Kan Nirmala Sitharaman kalau ong bah Pedang kesnam arhajar sau bat arhajar kat sau kajeng ai bah khajana syaka Meghalaya kalau nyau hajar arspa nyupulai kelur tengka. Nreha Pedang kesnam arhajar kat sau bat arhajar arpusau kalau kot syaka saupu prahajar praspa prapulai kelur tengka. Kabag kajeng kiau kalau kot sans pa nyupuar na kasispa. Bat ka Grand NH syaka Meghalaya ru kalakiyo da saupo hajar sau spasan puar keluar tengka kabayo opdiang hapedang kesnam arhajar khat sau bat arhajar arpusau. Habi nujor bat ka khat kata hajar nyau spa keluar tengka jong kisposnem kibala litno. Ka Nirmala Sitharaman kalau ong bahaduk kendai pu art ligi shnong ke jela Meghalaya kibadan ha jaga kapot bagari Bangladesh kin sakalalong kishnong banengkong he India. Bagini kishnong bila syadiat kumsi benta jong ka wat kebaar jong ka Vibrant Village program jong ka Sarkar Pedang. Kalau ong bagan selet banyo kejat hakikat tu kan kishnong kibadan ha jaga kapot banyo benekran batki bag kalau ong baga Vibrant Village program kalau galenti kaba kambania banwan ra yaki kampen roi bapura kishnong kibadan ha jaga kapot. Kalau penting bro bagi Sarkar Pedang kalau elek ban penroi kishnong kibadan ni jaga kapot bat kiwei pat kiri kum Myanmar, Tibet, China bat Nepal. Haga baidai bagi jing pensange ya ke Border Area Development Program ka Menteri Pelatengka kalau ong bagi jing a ya ke song tengka ha tan kapot kadang yai beteng. Bat dekan ni la penyat da ka tenat korbari bat ka tenat yadari. Ka Nirmala Sitharaman kalau ong ru bagi ni program kalau men play ki lat kamai kaji ka puli puthi ka kot ka khya pat ki wei jing don kam ki maman la ka sngi jing ki pat nong shong shnong ha ka tan kapot.
It's been managed from home and defense together. So Vibrant Village is now a more comprehensive approach towards holistic development of those villages which are on the border. What it does is, as different from a border village, the earlier program, is not just develop access of road or telephone connectivity, but this gives livelihood options for the communities which are living there, improving not only connectivity but as I said many of the basic indices of education, health.
Menteri Ketenat Penmi Boarding ke jela Meghalaya U80 Mondal, ublong ru chairperson jangga North Eastern Regional Power Committee. Ula pentip badang syan ulation benta haga jengelang jang ke NPC ke bakat nriu, kebelalong haga Courtyard by Marriott haga nong bak Shillong. Haga bau lekar pat ya Ketenat Penmi Boarding jang kari ban ajing rap pisah kerpang ban kersya ni ke projek Penmi Boarding haga jela jang kathan stelam ini. Menteri Ketenat Penmi Boarding ke jela Meghalaya ubalong ru chairperson ke North Eastern Regional Power Committee NERPC U80 Mondal ula kerpat ke jingirap pisah na ka Ministry of Power ke Sarkar Pedang. Menkersyan ya ke projek transmission na kathan stelam ini kentup ke projek berang penuandor temai ba arhajar arspa nyopau keluar tengka. Bat kini kalong man ai kerpang ya line basis palai pu RKV syaka jaka kaput keri Bangladesh men penjana ya kecing sambording. Ya kini kecing kerpat labu akmat chairperson ke Central Electricity Authority CEA Ghanshyam Prasad ubrai ru chairman ka National Power Committee. Haga jing yalang kabakan rio jong ka National Power Committee kebelalong dangshan haga Hotel Courtyard by Marriott Shillong. Habakran nigilat patai kubor haga pratrik menaitung arhajar arpusan Weti mandal uleto baga jelak lapan kre agan transmission plan kabal ajeng menjur da ka CEA. Ula kerpat ru banai kerpang ya ulain basis palai pu RKV syakajaka kaput bat ke Bangladesh bekentup ya kabak mara bat giwe-giwe gijaka ban penjanai gijing sam boarding bat na kebentak ikam ke bakongsan. Menteri ula keren ru alo gijing dan kam ban kentip kerdan no ya transmission line gijaka kom South Garo Hills, West Garo Hills bat Southwest Khasi Hills.
We had a very fruitful discussion and we raised even some issues of our state and of the regions also. One of these issue was that the 21st Monitoring Committee approved the PSDF fund for northeastern states as a special case subjected to examination from TEAG, that is Techno-Economic Subgroup Committee of PSDF. However, the final approval of the project has been pending since long, which has stalled the progress of upgradation of SCADA EMS system of SLDS, which are obsolete. Because the other regions are taking initiative to upgrade their system. So we do feel also that even the northeastern region also should have this upgradation. And for this we need some funds, so we requested the NPC chairman, who happens to be also the chairman of CEA, to take up this issue. Another problem is that the northern part of the country is a little bit facing problem of isolation, load shedding, islanding, and all these problems have happened. So we are also aware that there is increasing vulnerability for cyber threats as far power system is concerned, and that also needed to be upgraded. So we raised these issues in that meeting also, and hopefully a consensus has come. Even the accounting system, which are different in different region, because we are having 5 RPCs also, comprising the northern, southern, eastern, western, and northeastern region. So all the states are included in these RPCs, and it was decided, let us have a common software so that everything is done in a better way, so that it is easier for other states to understanding. Then there was freezing funds from PSDF for almost 1 year now, and most proposal for the northeastern states had been kept on hold. Some of the programs are involving reconductoring of transmission lines, which are very critically important for enhancing the TTC of states, also enabling them to their enhanced GNA quantum. This matter has been raised, and we discuss about this issue also. Then there is a transmission system requirement of northeastern states and Sikkim up to the year 2031-32. It also forms part of the adequacy plan for future. For other states, this has been considered for 2034-35, but for northeastern states, it was told that the adequacy plan should be 2031-32. Accordingly, we have drawn a program, and this program has been posted to CA, and it is agreed by CA. But now the problem is that this matter, even I have personally raised in the Northeast Power Ministers Conference at Gangtok on the 26th April 2025 in the presence of our Honorable Union Power Minister Sri Manohar Lal Ji. And I have mentioned that there has been an increase in the length of 220 kV and 132 kV transmission lines by about 434 circuit kilometer. So far we have the high tension lines like telling from 132 kV transmission lines, then 220, then 400, then 765. Now in India, there is a talk of upgradation of the transmission line to 1100 kV, which is a huge transmission lines, and that will connect initially the western zone, the southern zone, and eastern zone with northern zone. There is no proposal as such as far the northeastern regional region is concerned, because here what happened, the width of the corridor is also will be increasing. That means right of way will be a big problem. So all these issues has been discussed and done. In the evening, we have gone to NERPC office, that is the Northeast Regional Power Committee office, which has been constructed quite long time back, but inauguration was pending. We have inaugurated there. We had a meeting with the member secretary of other RPCs and other engineers who have come from across the country, representing various organizations like CTU, like Power Grid, like Grid India. All these people were there, and there was many fruitful discussion was there. So we do hope that we will get some benefit from this conference that has been held here in Shillong. That is where we feel that system upgradation is required, and we need to have further more substations in rural areas, so that the length of the transmission line is reduced, and so that if any disruption is there, it is only localized area, not the entire stress. And we are planning, we need quite big number of rural substation, which we have posted with Honorable Chief Minister sir, and he agreed to give us on phase manner every year 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 substation on the strategic basis.
Komisi Benta Benelek Benkentiu Syuk ya kakam jengok kai pertai haga jela. Kamtam haga banbu igi jakasa ki bapaka bat ki baramdor. Menteri ketenat jengok kai pertai ke jela ba apol lengdo haga siba ar jeng tayo ula pentep bagi sarkar jela kantai artli ki 5-star luxury resort ha umya maga distrik Ribhoi bat ha Sora haga distrik East Khasi Hills bat ban pentamai ru ya ka Polo Orchid ke badan Hatura haga distrik West Garo Hills. Kasorkar jela kalarai bantai artli ki 5-star luxury resort kata gawai ha umya maga distrik Ribhoi bat gawai ha Sora haga distrik East Khasi Hills. Bat kalarai ru ban pentamai ya ka Polo Orchid Tura West Garo Hills. Kani kalong Komisi Benta ban penbhai ki jakasa jeng inong wan jeng okai perthai kenang manang kring syuk inong wan jeng okai syaka jela. Ya kini lepentip dau menteri ketenat jeng okai perthai ke jela ba poleng do. Habakran ni gelat perthai kubor ha pratrek unaitung arajar arpusan uba poleng do uli thu bagi sarkar kala jam syakamat ban pentrei da ka PPP mode ya ki project ban kentiu ki kam jeng okai haga jela. Da ka bakadau ban benta ka 5-star luxury resort ha Sora ka sarkar kladap ban itu ke jaka ka bemarjan bagi Jiva Resort ka badairu ke jaka jong ketenat jengok kai perthai ka bahaya arpsan akar ha ka baladap ban IT ke jaka ka basan akar ban sedang pentrei kamno mentaga senam. Uba poleng do uli itu ba ketenat jengok kai perthai ka layo ru ya ka daulan nong ka bahaya laipun riu point nyopra akar ya ka bala pentrei kam dagi riu shimat di senam ka balalet ban meta ka beran kam ban khot tender ban sedang pentrei no ke resort. Hakabaydai bagathan rilom garo Menteri ketenat jengok kai perthai uli itu bagatenat kan maramat ba pentamai no ya ka Polo Orchid Hotel Hatura daga pepenbon kumbasi sepatli kamera hakane ka Polo Orchid Hotel kenang bana syuk ban kring kinong jengok kai perthai syakane kathan uba poleng do uli itu bagi ni project jo ketenat jengok kai perthai la kershan bat be tengka daga Meghalaya Industrial and Investment Promotion Policy bat ka Northeast Industrial Policy.
So the state government now in its continuous attempt to improve the tourism sector and infrastructure in the state. Yesterday we had a meeting chaired by Honorable Chief Minister where I was also present, and we took up discussion on several initiatives in the tourism sector. So I'm glad to inform you that we are making significant strides and we are entering into a PPP mode in several new initiatives. One such initiative which has reached a very advanced stage is the construction of a 5-star luxury resort at Seorang, and this work is being we are completing the financial bids on the 11th of this month, and we are also starting something unique and new to Meghalaya, which is glamping sites, where we have identified plots at Seorang and at Umiam, and we will be able to see that these glamping sites are also taken up within this current financial year. At Umiam, as I had briefed you earlier, with the Department of Forests and Environment handing over and transferring close to 300 acres of land, we will now be able to expand the flagship program for a 5-star resort at Umiam, which will be of a global scale and pride for Meghalaya's tourism. We are integrating the 36.78 acre island, which is part of the lake, the Umiam Lake, and was earlier being run by one private entrepreneur. Now this has also been settled, so we will now have 35 acres of mainland plus 36.78 acres of island to be part of the integrated flagship 5-star resort. We will initiate the tendering process at the earliest. In the Garo Hills sector, the town of Tura has one hotel by the name of Polo Orchid, and we are going to redevelop the project and scale up the project, whereby we are projecting that there will be an increase in footfalls with over 100 rooms as part of the newly rejuvenated Hotel Polo Orchid at Tura. These initiatives, which are supported by capital subsidies and tax incentives under the MIIPP and the Northeast Industrial Policy, will certainly help attaining the stage of a premier destination for luxury and ecotourism. And it also is in sync with what we are promoting right now, which is high value, low volume tourism. So this is briefly what I have to share with you. Seorang, this is close to what we now have, the Jiva Resort. Next to that, we have roughly about 25 acres of land belonging to the Department of Tourism, out of which 5 acres has been allocated for the construction of this luxury resort. Bidders in Seorang, we have Hills and Canyon Hotels, which is a high end of the brand of the Holiday Express by IHG. So it's a high-end brand.
MLA kaseng BJP naga South Shillong constituency ubasan Borshulai. Hagasi palay jung katayo lapentep baga draft cantonment building bylaws arhajar arpusan. Kalayo ikajing menjur na kasilong Cantonment Board ha kasitrik unaitung. Bat kania kalapan urlong ya kajing angnuat kabalapalat. San pulai snem jaki padba akibasyong basa ha kijaka jangka Cantonment. Habaikiran bikinong patay kubor UMLA ka South Shillong constituency ubasan borsulay ulong bayagan ni Senjam kabayday ba ka draft Cantonment Building Bylaws arhajar arpusan. Kadi kabalalam kamat ka Shillong Cantonment Area Development Committee bagdijing angnuat kablas ateng mentalasan pulai snem na kabenta kabasyong basa hagijaka Cantonment. Ulong bayakan niya lakmi ibnya daga Meghalaya Urban Development Authority kabakentop yaki kendon bansya bantay yaki yang G+3 yaki yang basaw mala hagijaka kibran kisrok yat kali bagajing tay yaki yang ba G+2 nelai mala hagijaka kibamyat ki kali rengkat bagajaka kabahado 1000 square feet ansya bantay yaki yang G+2 yaki yang kabalai mala. Ulito bayakan niya ka draft kabala menjor mentala pa siya General Officer Commanding jaga Eastern Air Command batken up ban yo ekjing menjor ke bakat do na ketenat yadari na Delhi. Ulong ru bukung MLA katan rengkat baki dikot jangka board kenselit banikan do ya Menteri Yadari Rajnath Singh kenang ban pengloi ki kam ki jam na kebenta ban ajing menjor ikene ke draft building bylaws. Ulong ru ba anda kene ke draft kalayo ekjing menjor kumta kan wong ekjing mentoi kinong chong snong haga bakin sayo ekalat ban apply ban sna yang kat kum kane ka kendon ka bathamai.
Hagapur manusia kisuya ay kumtu na kasilong katon bur ipor manusia tadi na kapur katon ban hakikat tu kan sistem kaladon kini ki illegal construction bi te kada ya kakis nagaliang juga kuat kalau ini illegal construction iba claim permission na po ka Cantonment Board te kiale kis badahin bagi kiale kis abun bun sinem hatu kapon ngapal ngamelis tu te hadin nagaliang juga kuat kala aira in favor ya ka defense authority le ne ka Cantonment Board but accordingly nagaliang sipai jointly but ka authority silong Cantonment Board lampun teliki building yeng kiba kila siapun perah te kila siapun perah kum tu but dehang ta kaba nadu bayat jia ka tu ka court case te kisulong ba kimyo snaying tumacho mshacho except what yakidiki repairing extension of room syaso apa kata jigi pajba kadon lagi di sistem ki beladem ki bangampat long ameli mahang tu kaja por slap ka kapai ka tudum ki pan permission ban kliang ikitin room ki mai kaya ba tis local bapin sina bian bapi yaki kamera ni tadi ko pra ka nama ka dege jaka spai we te hatar kom ko suya te mentah bergalung ka jingkeben ke jing sabrike yaki nong song ka silong ka Cantonment Board hagaba kadiaj be dengan building bylaws te hakipun ka mun suya kumno kisna gitu ki iu ka sulong bet tang na po silong Cantonment Board kala abandon le si kino ka on sumla banong nang palong amili to kapor te ka sulong bet permission nang ne na po Cantonment Board ki pa show di po Guwahati tikila ya approve teman ta takal kada ka keram la ne ka jing jencar ki pajba na bar khamtam hadien ba ki don ka jaka ne ki mio ban sinayeng te don ki bala songkha kambun ki non khasi setu ki non tribal te ki ka custom jo ki long join family aba ki songkha ya ka lok ki wara haye ndai ti don kam kamera ta baik ki habli song ki yang wise tu sinai stai te benta kada ka cing jo ki kelawan sisin bagala pentri kami akan ka Cantonment Building Bylaws arajar arpusan kemudian jaga kelala ban apply accordingly kelala ban sina te kan ka long aspiration jo ki nong song jangka Cantonment Board nomor Ministry of Defense kan aya ka final assessment approval Sian tang ladem nang tugin sali ya kedua ya Rajnath Singh Ji bolong defense minister kerang bila ben keluai bagi yo na approval ba hapo sibnai arbanai ngini persang kerang ba tang layu aga building bylaws ngin sepelong kajing pentipaj ba seboro kinong song jong ko ben board control area silong area berkumta kinsa wan ban serang ban apply kubya ngiju apply sepo ka mudah kiru kinsa apply sepo ka silong ka tumen boot kata ka dei ka ba long ka ba so kuman ne nakaliang jonga kumali ba haga tenor jonga lala memperolong ya kana ka jeng nut ka balap palat pun stem bar haga ka hadin banglayo state ngili yo ya state upura mantah sanpuan lagi stem mentagla kan urulong no mentau stem
Haswa bang ini petenggi kubor ke bedangsa in penken mau biang ikimat bokongsan joko kubor mentag tayo. On perlong personal interview show ikikam group di Meghalaya. Plia ke Menteri Pelatengka ke Sorkar Pedeng, ya ke Polo Commercial Complex ke ba Shispa Klurtam. One special monitor ke NHRC bat sengutu ikijing jelai bajing pun percaya drugs haga jelah. Penti kenal sembut Menteri Rangba pan ajing era bajing singan ya kipat ba kalapangap. Syasa sponsor ngut kipulet ka tanat seora batombori usam laget wen jerwa apok tanat. Syakem urang ba balik biijat ke kena barang khatsan senam karta. Bat pelat Menteri Rangba ke jelai ke trofi jong ke Duran Cup. Ka Shooting Association of Meghalaya rengkat bat ke tanat sports bat youth affairs ke jela. Hakesim arjung ke tayo ke leso ke soskular bat ka National Rifle Association of India ban kentiu ke jingila kaya kop siat sulai na ka bentagi samla jong kene ke jela. Ya kene ke soskular ban kentiu ke jingila kaya kop siat na ka bentagi samla ke jela Meghalaya leso du President ka Shooting Association of Meghalaya uba John F. Karshiang u Director ke tanat sports and youth affairs u Didi Shira bat u Secretary General jong ka National Rifle Association of India NRAI K. Sultan Singh hagajing sakilang Menteri Rangba ke jela Conrad Kongkal Sangma Presiden ke NRAI Kalikesh Narayan Singh Dio bat kiwe-kiwe katong ka bakmat jong ne jing soy ka soskular kalong ban kentiu bat ban sandor ka sab jong kisamla ke jela hagajing ilakai Yakob siat sulai bat kamtam bantaw kilat klinti ban snai ki jaga siat sulai ke berengkat kerdan bat ke perthai nalor kenia bandan ru gijing aji kai ban sandor ke sab ka phong na ru bakidang khanna u Kalikesh Narayan Singh Dio lero ikrukam perkhat jong Sarkar Meghalaya berulong bakani gijing soy soskular kan longkum mau nong rem ya ke Meghalaya ban sei kinong siat sulai ke betbet hagis nambanwan u Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bakani gijing trailang kalong kelenong ke bethamai ke history kamela kai jong jela Meghalaya bar usno sarong mane trailang bak NRAI kaban pun kubor ki samla ki berani kejing terang bat kejing angnut ke bahaya ha kejing kop siat sulai kum sibenta ban pencong shit giruit football ke jela ha kesing balang jong tayo la plat pat ba ke trophy jong ka Duran Cup ke basis pak lai pusau ha kejing elang ke belalong ha ka State Convention Center ha ke nong ba Shillong Ya kini ke trofi jong ke Duran Cup la plat pat ba do Menteri Rangba ke Jelau Conrad Kongkal Sangma ha ke jing dalang Menteri Ketenat Sports bad youth affairs ke Jelau ba Shaklir Marjorie u Air Marshal Surat Singh u Lieutenant General Sanjay Malik u Director jong Sports and Youth Affairs u Didi Shira kinong elam jong ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association bat ke Meghalaya Football Association ya ke Duran Cup arhajar arpusan ke bagi lempung ilakai football ke Rimdo ha ke Doba Asia kan sedang ha ke arpun ru terik unaitung bat an penilakai ha kisan teli gejela jong kari bekentop ya ke West Bengal Assam Manipur Jharkhand bat Meghalaya bat an penilakai kumba prateli jing ilakai ha Meghalaya u Lieutenant General Sanjay Malik ula pentip ba kenong ba Shillong an penlong ya ke weni gejing ya kon ya ke quarter final balada ja bagawe neki kenhon ke jela Meghalaya ke bekentop ya ke Shillong Lajong Football Club neka Rangda Jet United Football Club ki orong sya ke semi final kumtai ke neki jing kon an penlong hi ha kenong ba Shillong u Conrad Kongkal Sangma ula penpaw ke jing sengo sarong ba kenong ba Shillong sa sisien kala sya jet bani penlong ya ke weni gejing ya ko baru ula ong bamenta ke kenti ke Duran Cup ke benong ha Shillong kanang kamhe syuk bani ke senam ke balalet ula pentip ru ba kumba arhajar kelur la pendut ban kentiu bat ban thau ya kejakai lekai bat kombasan putli ke artificial football turf haga jela kin selong ke balabet labiang hapo jong kasnem ar hajar ar punyo.
And I do remember some of the players and some of the coaches telling me that this is one of the best pitches and the best, fields, turf that they have played in. So that makes us very proud. And we were also happy to learn that most of the people were very happy with the arrangements that were made by the Meghalaya state government in terms of hosting the games. So it was a very successful games, and also we saw a huge turnout, and I'm sure that it is one of the largest turnouts compared to any other venue that we saw here in Shillong. So from all angles, it was a very successful tournament last year, and obviously this is the second time that we're doing it, and we are much better prepared. Obviously, small issues could come up. That's something that can always happen to any programs, but we are very sure that all the arrangements have been made in a way that we'll be able to host these games in a far better manner, much better manner than it was last year. Though last year also was very good, but it'll be even better this year.
Kashnong maulai ke dek Jumat bet ya kawai gejing mentala bon pausnem. Parahaduk mentaru ikene gejing am syamlala banweng satya. Kani gejing ke bagi patba kashnong maulai kimat kadai gejing kerdoum. Bat kani kalapen soasat bat penjenjar ki babon kilong yeng ban yo ek umbam umdi ha keba kilahap ban buria nala kapla ban tiet ek bat kani kala kata jorbha kam tam kilong yeng ki baduna kayo kokot. Ha gejing hiar Jong u Assistant Chief Engineer Zone 1 ketenat PHE uba BL lawai bat kibai syakshnong mulai. Benekran ni ginong syakshnong halo kejing kerdoum hagani syakshnong. Keliolat benekran ni katokan ni ginong syakshnong ke belapen pa kejing kebai dai kejing kerdoum namar kejing bambiang ki kor sorkari kejing mi yeng ru tang arsen nak shtayo. Ginong syakshnong ko jayur nong luom nong pedeng mat siar bat modat baki kleto bakin hap bantiet arsen nak shtayo. Kabakador kejulong lai spasan pau haduk saus pak sanpau nak kali bajar litar bat kata kesyong ha kejing-jingai kayeng nak surok habayok benekran bat ubak BL lawai halo kejing ulah kubur bak kesyong maulai ke mat shisha kejing kerdoum da ke bakadau bak ketenat kelashim senjam menuweng ke kejing la ke ban peniat ya kejing penteri ki pipe nak kebenta ban penteri kam ya ke Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme ke benta ke balai bat ketenat chen kan sekaliang no yu pipe ubawan nak assembly ban penpoi syakashnong maulai mauro nang banla ban penpoi kambon chikne kathan halo kejing ut kinong syakshnong na kejing momyo eka connection bathamai uba lawai ulong ba ketenat kami ajing tip lagi nong syakshnong gila apply syakitnat lagi bentakani bat kibi kishnong ha bagi kwa benyo ya ka connection ke bathamai kin ha banyak leng ba kinong ilam shnong ha ka bagi nong ilam shnong gila ban pentip syakitnat ban le eka badan kam uli tu ru ba kejing penpoi syakshnong mulai berokowai ren lai benta kabadai ya ka pedeng maulai bayo lengba ka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme ke benta ke benengkong kabagentup ya shiteng nong luom nong kuar bat yorong hab kaba dan jeng halor kejing kerdo kabashim jeng ke de gishnong gi ban yo ek na ka top mauro namar jeng thot upai ubawan assembly shamuro kaba ketenat kalapan kre ban kliang no agi pipe bat ban yo bantan namau pelang lengba ka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme ke benta ke balai kabadang ya kejing penteri kat ba kamaulai mau yong mat kiwi shnong ki bam ha papo ke Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme katenat kaliat kemat ban penyo lengba ka Jal Jeevan Mission
sing cencar ko sini kala palat kan naduk mendukung kini kejing kerdu ka du ka te na naduk wan sa sini perdu syet kalau batai
tapi begitu dekat hang ni mau kum nu thì yo ya ko ban
nga su thiệt đại cảnh ta su thiệt bị áp sen steel cũng đó
các nước sẽ thiệt con của
lai spot thầm thâu
các nước xin thì học thiệt
áp sen
điều
te nakaliang ka jong imo nga song hang niya po nong lum hapdeng snong te ho chi sang i kerdu adu kata kata ka na mar ba ka jing yo ka ka de tang arsin ha ka si te yo don ki po le ki bang yo tang si sin ru men ha ka ni ka te yo bla dem yo tang si sin te ngi haban thiet ya ka te lada ka mi regula kum tu hi ka si sha yang i na mar ban thiet man ka por long ka syam si tom ha na mar mo ha ka ni ka perthai kerdu te nya thiet ni nya thiet bam ne te ka long si syam si tom hadu kata kata te ngi karpat ke nya ka PhD bala dalong ka bala mo bakan ay ka ka banong man ka sngi la dala to subo tang sausin ha ka sitio ru kala biang yangi bangin penan kam namar lada kami ko ru ngi yo tang 4 liter temur si hajar liter ha ka sitio si hajar liter tengin le ayu ki babun kon le tang basa jan sai net man so man sle man ta portion li hab so man ka sngi ki babala ki haban wan so man sle ko ka num dap te ngi karpat e ka PhD mo lada kalong ka bala bakan ay ngi ali sausin ha ka sitio bat mentang ngakwa hiru ban panpa mo kum kawe nagi nong song snong mar bun ki baot ki ong bangim yo ka new connection te kani connection ngam tip mo re ki don ka tu kani ki yeng hapo ki dong ki jong ki yo ya ka new connection te ngam tip beli ka PhD ka ai kum ni tanggap tu ka ni re ha ka jing sisa ha ba ka ai ka di ban ai do dia bro ki ba apply ya ka new connection te lada ka kile kum tu ki ai tanggap tu ka ni teli ki yeng ka panpa ko jing ya long ka penlong no te benya pe sniu no iwe namar ba yong kum no itai yo ngangam yo te long ngikwa mo baka PhD ha baka ay ka new connection ha kiyeng kisem kadi ban ay lang ye bro mdai ban ong ban sujet tang kiyeng ki ba ngimla ban tip mo yo ki don jingya day ne fi ki la ban approach no ne ba pli ki to par ki bam dan ganu jere ki bam la ban approach te kum no kindo ya kata te ha baki ay ka ni new connection ru ki di ban ay lang ye bro te ngi karpat mo lada te don ki por ki banga jukeli te gini kinong pli ngong bali fi klam pli takas ngi yong bas new pipeline na mo plang te nga su tho bagani ko jungi kawan na mo plang ne kum no ngam tip te lada long ka bala mo kum bala pen pau gini ki seng sam la mo lai ba lada fila ban ai hidaka ulujong pipeline te nama ka mo lai kala he hate ka mo lai kala he sisa ke area tila da fila ban ai hilau jong pipeline ban supply na ka jong maulai tinga try ka numi issue ganu ka jingya ut ka jingya nam ka jingya ut halor ka ta jing kurdo ka jongi tingi karpat moy ke PhD bakan le sitom bakan sotho lem ya ka jingya jongi ki pajba namar ka hi ka de ka wei na gi badan kam tam na ka jing dan kam ka jongi ka ba man ka sngi halak yeng gi sem gi jongi te namar ki brio ladang ido ru bakin suyang hakor ru kim dan por mantong ru tang men step mla ban tong mo ba namar ka ru kami tang man step ban su pendap tang nei tikir ru ngimla ban pendap ya kayeng kesem na lada kami ti kena hagiyeng na malada mi ti kena hagiyeng haptong na kikor sarkari ru te sarkari ru mi tang man step na do nyaw hado si ko beji tengin yo e kan no te ngi karpa de ka PhD lada long ka bala te ngobha long pin mi no alis sausen ha ka sitio tate kala long ka ba kala biang yang bangin penon kami kan ko mulai mok sih aku jasa deh, thì kalau công ty kan ian, namar ba ki yen ki pangiyo bandring du dai, ki kon nilayo bandring la slam ba, tamba ka jing poi hapo ye po sam dai kalau lakum no asien, stayau na maximum ru lai sien, kata ru imat kita pelan tang sanspa litari si transfer lita lada sita yo kan lada ki ai asin ru kadang long tang si hajar lita tingi be bon brio hayeng te ka samjing adu kata nalor ba la apply ko ka bay siu ya ka ru hab balik siu regularly ni nalor nang taru ni hab thiet ko mentan ti bakaya ka kali mentan ka baket ni hab thiet de ko nama boleh dap ti tinga kalong kabalingo hadu kata naman ba hang te hapo ka disevia hang te po yes iem ba hang te ko nang te barabor ka suslay ka ai ba ti imat ka slay imat ka tu ka dai na kamenda kini ki korso kari mo ki ong ti balay kin nang tu kimla ban story ka tu ko ban penwan hang no re hang no nong clear kala kelenti kan ya ka bangat susat kung tu ta mo citu cha surok samadan madia ti ngida rang la government ki ibet ban pli kila ti kum no ban tinyo
Nomor ko gede ka bakongsan na ki bakongsan tam. Klem ko nyem la hi ban in. Kam tam ki di singi ki por ya ki mentale. Ki ke ci shet ka si. Nya sum kan ni lebe bon beliau tang ko som ro la lo. Ki ka bam di Dalo bangi nga siu tikana ka bangi hapan siu siya po ka PHE mentaru ngin hapthi sa ko bay menta aspa san phau sitrong taru betang si hajar nita ti hai ke ngin dam ti menta ba kan ka sana PHE kalawan pai hatu ka don ka no kang ka toy na kitu ni ni so far ti naman bakalong bet kumju ti lawan ti ipay last menta kan muslim aksnem bigwan ti ngamket pa ne ti ipay sarang itu ne tip kito ne namar ba ka jik supply siya pada kam biang dia dari baka kiyaj kai kan biang ke supply siya ti kala kam yo jing mentoy ke kan dia tang bawa lakat pa pada kadang penduk jing kermen pada ki wei pada ki para marjan ibakwa bandring thamai kim yo te ban pria kata kalat ru dan impip teh kum no ban le ti bun ki pramarjan ki ong ni kwa thamai kwa bandring thamai PE ke generation mentaru ka along kum ne ka ba mo ki breu ru la dang yo la te la snai ki yeng ki behe ti la kwa ka ya ka ru ba kan kin yo ha yeng te tang kata hi ke nya kwa ban kerpat mo ya ki bade ban pe ya ka ne kum ka PHE bahkan terikam kan mau kambahai kan iki baro ban penong kecing suk yo pai ba kan namun ta fitip hi ko ka de ka wei ka ba jenjar tam pok mulai bro sikat tu kong kumba si ong ni ba kani ka jing ni ka de tang lai si na ka sitio tu kala ibiang sra ya em ban yo ban sam lang em ba song wai em yo Takadaw beli ka sa kiyo ko bay wayeng ken ya kini ginong ay wayeng namar ba kihaban perkat ko te ko teng ki try ki song sejrong ginong song wai ki song sapo kin haban pendiam ko ka kiyo tu ko bay wayeng ru kihaban perkat ki kata namar damla an pen ay ber ko ru teng ke ginong song wai kerdo tikin ap ya kan ko kori kosor kari ru nang no seno long pilatip hi ki pipe ki sa bai jo ka tu karu kom ring ru ka sa bai jo matala kan post nem te kala jangai ken ki yeng kila dang bon ki breu kila dang bon ti kam tam mi ki nong kandong ba wan song school wan pule seni sapo shalong te long ke ijen jar te ki bon bi ki kila ele lang paraba sa marjan te ka tu ko ru kam dei ka ba suk ban yo ka song de ki lai spa san pho gidon ki lita ken te gidon ki basan spa te ka song ha ka jing he jong ka jing wan kali te hajing sisya kinong khamat kanyo ki de ban sim khia mai kani ka jing kerdu jongi de mulai hendrai mentala hammi da uta pressure group telong ka ke bam stanat kai kata nomor ka ka de necessity te pe kum ngi mentanga ngathet 6,000 si benai 6,000 si benai kam dei ka basuk te hendai ladangi yo pada katuka connection te jing siu te somehow ngi dang na te ban sustain mo te manhakan ye pa dang matashi arbanai la don hi ngala lai chepo PHE ngalai kerpat ya executive engineer SDO te makiru bapli ki so tho si sai kata ka jing ngaya tho ya kata ka problem jonga te makiru ki la sim khiai kata ki ong to kong ki ai man sim hi ki ong wat kuslai to la da ka por ka biang yang i bangen proses ya kata ka kam tikin sa provide ha kata ka por ba kala along sufficient ka jing supply sini kan te Hoy, ngayo kata ka assurance na kilong so tanat hi. Kilong ki breu ki baya tanat banyak keren banyak hanate manah kanir ngali mi biang ki ong lay kong hin sa ajin tip fi. Ang ni amo da baki jomi te ni guna palat ki go Ka ngi kuai ka connection go ba kamai hayer ngimyo. Nang tagi iti para blar ring katuka mau plang ru yo tang asis tayo. Kadang jinjar ba go Teka po hani po sulok ru badai bandon em ka kuar ka ban ai ni pa ba buon ki bani otong mani mundon kadon tanggawi sa ti saneng katur kadai jogong soalang tingi sini jarum tingi jenjar ba kain ka ti wat ko di ding siat kali to
Thì long ko bala ta long ni ko ai ban yo hi daga ni ko ko ba ki pai ki lawan bu teh ni. Tabang yo pada connection kan nuru.
Kung ti ang ba pihak banyak kiat ko di kan no papoy gini ka tayo sila.
Ka bay ni bakamajan te. Ka poi kumpo asan pau. Sikali kan. Begitu ki bala kam he katang ki pada ki poi sau spa. Kam jeng hai still la poi sau spa san pau san spa baro.
Kumo pihak kiat kat mesin ta still.
Ani ka dosin still mentali bengi sina yeng lele tem. Lai sia sau sin still dang thiet. Raba dan kami pada telong arsis tayo ni.
Apa mulai menjayur jungi. Kalong sisa ke ka jingdu jingkermen ke bakraw nam ta jungi. Apa kat banang mi gisni ngapet bakata ke jingkerdu Hapo sino mulai. Kalong ke bajur sia. Kam tam hangi hangne hi ngapet ki snong kila nang roy. Henry kat bagi ni ki kor ki yu Kimbiang te nakaliang jungahi ubosong basa hangne ngamdede utrasino hungre ngala song asak apa mulai la khat phra arfo snem hangne arfo arsan snem nganciong no apa mulai hinga im te ngai kita jingkerdu kat se bangaya ngayang de tang hangi hangne mo baro kawi ga mulai hinga pe te ngang syukurpat nakaliang jungaya government bahkan subhaban pai khamat lem Sengi kino mulai, bahkan nyerap ban perkat nama ta ke bit jingbiang jungi hagaliang jung ke Namar bah bangapek sisa ni, ya ke hi nganu benong mengkirdu sisa du kata-katang ya haban siatit. Mengilik hamtam kiba songwai, kaying ya haban siwe ke baywai. Plus ke hi haban tit jan arsin laisin steo. Ya kata nganut benong. Lada ginong bangasu tok ya kata handre gila barwan sakhi dalam gejong kikmat ngakentu ya kene ya ginong mikmat jungi ki badai pe ya ka gawa mo hapok sino maulai jungi
ti kenong ya mulai te kadon hi ta jikerdu ma nyir itip di department di ba intip ba mulai kayo hi tang arsin chitiu ti ya kene ginang ya kene la ya jumlah penbiang hati por jaga iyo tementang la nakan ka fees fee la alig ni pai thamai mata gi ai pai kaleng ka snong mulai ti kla jandap hi mulai especially di ka zone damaklang di ka zone 8 damaklang ti la jandap hi situ ti dengila ban pop extra na po mo plang ni fees 8 fees fee te kapsam sho ban pom ko hapo office hapo ka treatment plant te kan misam sho hi la no sang te ki pai ba ya chapo ka dispensing system chapo ka Shillong area te to ka dak simpor te se bang yo extra hi ko nang te na po moflang te ngila ban plat kniat amount chapo molai kram ba kinum yo sho tang arkanta hisni hindai kini yo kampung ta arkanta sitio ngabon arsin sitio tinggal do kambon si akan sitio kata ke menungkong ka department ka kanle sakwiru gin keliang do upai uba wanang ni do assembly uba ya chapoka mulai moro sakatok mulai moro itu gin replace no ngila apan ya ka kandon ka joint inspection ba pulih jeli ada replace no isi pipeline sin bang la replace itu batmai tak boleh ada kam air pressure kan dia lu kapan he ko kam air pressure ngila ban kala ban ka kenum dua si opai hari la jui ba angte apo pulu apo pulu tu NGCL lung jingsa itu Jakarta bos pai te lagi yo kampung ru kamontohi la nyembang penhe ti ngapre tenang kada kani kadi ka we bagi kwa ban lisho tu pipe te nang yo extra masyaallah ka 50 ya ka bangin pom ko kanum samsho apa treatment plan ini pria harus pipe bareng te tang mulai ni replace ni lawan pede mulai te ngakerben ba dan le umta imat kan yarap mulai te ngakrai ni ciu ni treatment ya kata ka we galong ba tip kibiri ki apply na ka department but I house connection kawi di kawi kata but bun sin hi kiwi wi snong in the I house connection ki IT form sekira ba snong si ki recommend maki ke department thing is IT is a passive design is water tax security is connection di kadang mulai pot kam step ba ki form ki point am po ki ba apply ki point am po office la ni la ki point la ni ki point po office ru la ki apply teng ru beli ki mio ki ngakotip beli teki nok sok ki la ki apply de ki mio si kuatip ya kata ka iyo ke la da juan kata ka iyo ke jikeli ba beli ki mio ki don am ba ki apply de ki mio asyo asmo ba ki nok sok ki mio so andre ki la ju apply ni am ba ki mio ne mio kan kata kan
ya ba itu ba tadi dia new connection
baik
satu ketinat kan cintian yang nak bentar mulai nomor kosong mulai kosong ba he tam na baro
baik
di ban kam wen pat itu ni
ya kepinker ya mulai berapa ini ke don lain mentang kan kalau kebentar kalau mentang itu mulai kembali area pring mulai syua kaba coverage naka GSWS phase 1 ti bakobo naka GSWS kini kiliang bernasihat ti yang nasyang sulok highway gitu iman nonglum ndak kayo hanjat kinang kuar hadin ki jorong have itu bomi itu te kimdan GA itu kita tiyo malakas ni kiliang giba sem GA kadi kaliang naka top joka moro nang tu kisem GA ta kidaw kalau PEP bang la penhe na kalang assembly pemulai ka bersifat soko umru ka mentala kala kham jenjar ban you stang da gripes tu bagi ai susu na moklang na ka phase 3 ni la ban pembiang to kawe na kata sakwe ru pemulai ki ni na ki bi susu mo kawe ha solang ki hi kor sakari kawe ki yo na po kidan ki sok jubels ki ba kum po modat baki bayo kalian patah sok krot ti hadin pot ki yo spring source na umja la klet na kodong kita ter kidan hi kisus kiba kiyo ti soka ini soka put mauri ru ngap pat baski bo pa wi kata di drilling hi arteli ti kitu gala la pa prosa la na po di meeting ti nyen up ka sanction ka tu ti sakoi pat ngalong soka kamulai mongyong katu kam hap coverage yang GSWS rementapan gila sanction de skim la ang tri sha kabadi dak sino ka JJM
habate de kini kipai menahani artnam la ni sistem menta ki ini ba beroi ke mulai kila dapne itu kipai kidi na benta to ka ba lamu karai yo kipai ba no tupai
pi ketua di ka joka phase 3 lain joka distribution joka phase 3 te ni hab commission ni lain ibu mulai te bun ba adap tang kirang sa kanjat hi yu ka banding di pipeline ti nila wan test kit ko lain hadin dak la adap dot kini ka musa ni di ban yo khambon ti menta la da test kit lain ru la da pat yo ban commission ni ka skim par pa haju apa ni bang pos kata ka MLD extra ni kata kamot da test kit lain do sistem bali da test kit lain do kibri kinum yo sye bandi balik kesimpor bantes kesimpor ting hado bang dayo ekstra ti kala bantes ki lain ti tang ang tahi bang imla ban to face out ak lain remdo suddenly opsumi kma yang to face out ki lain rem custom ihap penyat lang hi wat lain rem lain thamai itu hado ba kala biang ba kala lain thamai ti nya face out ba kala lain rem
te parlok dak tu ngila poi chuk bokut juk ku bo jingi menta jan miet in se champion bat philation teo ha juk kasni bat ha juk ko por ku ble shibone ko por jong thi bat thiaso